In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents to your email using Mailchimp. This is a great way to help your readers quickly navigate to different sections of your content, making your emails both professional and user-friendly. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, open the email in Mailchimp that you want to edit. If you're not already logged into your account, make sure you do so to access your email drafts. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the specific email template. Now, why is this important? Having the correct email open is crucial because any edits you make will directly affect what your audience sees. Next, once you have the email open, identify the paragraph where you'd like to insert your table of contents. This is important because it affects how intuitive and user-friendly your email will be for the reader. Make sure it's placed somewhere noticeable, yet not distracting, perhaps near the beginning for maximum visibility. After deciding where to place the table of contents, look for the Merge Tags option in the Mailchimp editor. Clicking on Merge Tags is a vital step, as it allows you to add dynamic, personalized content that will automatically populate when the email is sent. This is where the magic happens, transforming your email into a tailor-made message for each recipient, even while bulk sending. Now you're going to scroll down through the options until you find Table of Contents. Navigating this list might seem daunting, but take your time to locate it. The scroll is fairly simple, but remember that persistence is key here. You wouldn't want to skip this section as it's where you access the feature necessary for the next step. Finally, after locating the table of contents in the merge tag list, click on it to add it into your chosen paragraph. This step officially incorporates the table into your email draft. This is the pivotal moment where all your navigation efforts bear fruit, providing your readers with a concise, clickable list, making your email easy to digest. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've significantly enhanced the functionality of your email. The table of contents not only elevates the reader's experience, but can also lead to better engagement from your audience. Don't forget to take your time to review the final email, ensuring all links and content align correctly. Thank you for staying with me through this guide. Implementing a small feature like the table of contents can make a big difference in how your emails are received. Keep exploring and tweaking to better serve your audience. Happy emailing.